tens of millions of people face life-threatening humanitarian crises. Lives ravaged by war, natural disasters, and a hopeless cycle of violence. Millions left destitute by an earthquake, a brutal conflict where the choice is either to flee or be killed. Children left with little hope for a future, too long exposed to a climate of violence and fear. Yet, every day, extraordinary things can happen when ordinary people, like you and me, decide to take action. It is this shared humanity that binds us together. In an age that is more digitally connected than ever, we have an opportunity to act together as global citizens, to stand up for a more humane world, to demand a better world. This World Humanitarian Day, use your social media to inspire the world's humanity. Sign up to the ShareHumanity campaign and help give a voice to the voiceless. Together, we can make a difference and inspire change.